How to use conjunction presented by vin-educations. Because is used to show reason, although is used to show two opposite statements, whereas is used to show contrast, but is used to join two ideas that are opposites. For example, I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Besides mean in addition to also it is a preposition. Unlike means different from not similar to. Therefore is used to show the result, effect of an action, provided mean if or only if. Unless means except on the condition that. Since is used to show result, so is used to show result. For example, whoever says so is a liar. If is used to show condition, yet shows contrast of joins opposites. After, tell us about order sequence. For example, I can pass after the green light is on.